Hey there, Rockstar. So today I'm going to show you a nice way I learned to test NPM packages locally, and I learned it from Harminder Virk, the creator of Adonis.js. So part of my job at Treble is to build and maintain our JavaScript SDKs, and I recently made the SDK for Adonis.js, and I had help from Harminder, and in the process, he showed me how he tests packages locally. So I'm just going to show you as well. So let's jump right into the code. All right, so I am in the treblle-adonisjs SDK, which lets you monitor and observe your API in Adonis.js. So what I want to do is I want to test this package locally in a test project. And previously, the way I do this is to use NPM link. That worked, but for some reason it wasn't working. Probably it has reach its limits, and I think Harminder also faced the issue, so that's why he found this approach. So what we will do here is we grab a package called yalc. Yes, yalc, that's the name. So we're gonna do npx. Normally you could do npm run npm install.g, yes, to install it globally, but I like npx, just one liner. So I'll do npm yalc publish. And one thing I like about yalc is it's going to simulate publishing your package, but in its own local global store. So if I run this now, it's going to run most of my scripts, my pre-built script and pre-test and everything, and it's going to create like a package, and you could see published in store, right? So how do we use this? So to use this, I'm going to go into the test package. Adonis test here. And you can see I have the treblle-adonisjs, right? So this is like, I've deployed this at 0.01, but what if I made a change and I want to test it locally? No need to put, right? I could do npx yalc, add treblle-adonisjs, just like that, right? So what happens is yalc is going to get the package from the global store and inject it here, and also update my package.json. So let's see how that goes. So when I run this, fingers crossed, it should work. Yep, so it did work. So you see now we have this nice looking path. So this is how, so there's a .yalc hidden folder, which is going to have the treblle-adonis. So it's just like its own local repository. So the good thing is I could easily test my packages and simulate it, just because yalc will build your package based on your scripts. So the same files that will be set to npm will be the same you have here. So it should work 99% as it should in npm. So if I test this out, I just want npm run dev to just see if it's really working. And let's visit this route. So just open Firefox, and so this is where I'm testing it on Treble. So you could see the last report was 8 hours ago. So if it's working now, if I visit the get, right? So visit the home route, I should see an update on Treble. Yeah, I did get the update on Treble. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Really nice way to test your npm packages locally. And shout out to Harminder for showing me this, and I thought you all might benefit from it as well. So yeah, see you until next time.